Okay, we're at 55th. The electrician came through. There was actually one outlet that controlled the power to the rest of the outlets in this dining room. So he repaired the broken line where the disconnect was. So now we have power everywhere. Here's one. Here's the second one that had an issue. The wall that was, the outlet that was connected to that wall on the back side. This fella here. This outlet in the dining room. And this outlet in the dining room. Last but not least, the new LED light fixture. Also, there was one outlet that was completely burnt out. There's the old outlet. You see the issue there? There's the new outlet. East 55th, ready to go.